tired of your prints fading or peeling? Digisoft is the next digital print technology the world has been waiting for. Engineered to deliver exceptionally high quality prints on even the toughest fabrics. Digisoft is on-demand printing as it was always intended, fully evolved. You can create apparel products as inspiring as your ideas with Digisoft. Think limitless design freedom, real durability, and creativity unbounded from traditional constraints. With Digisoft, you are in control like never before. Now, what is Digisoft? Okay, keep it very short and simple for you. I want you to think about direct to garment, okay, DTG, and DTF, direct to film. Okay, I want you to think of those two together. Okay, they're both basically, all three of those are pretty much the same, but with Digisoft, there's no limitations that it has compared to those two. Okay, direct to garment and direct to film. Okay, DTG and DTF, they have their limitations, but now when it comes to Digisoft, it doesn't. So that's basically it all put together when you're comparing those three and you're trying to figure out, okay, which one's the best one and what is Digisoft? That's basically what it is right there. Here is a Digisoft print on a sweatshirt, okay, made in Detroit. See the logo, but you can see the colors. Get in real close and low. Look at these colors right here. It's crazy. Go all the way around so you can see the colors. All right. Let me put my hand on here so you can kind of see. Here is a Digisoft print on a athletic t-shirt. Got an astronaut riding a skateboard. And let's get real close and personal so you can see the print. And not only that, just the colors. Look at that. That's crazy. Okay, just awesome. Hopefully you guys can see the detail and see how the print and look at the color, right? Just amazing. All right, here is another Digisoft print. This is on a white hoodie. Okay, Year of the Rabbit, Chinese New Year. And if we look in real close, these are some of the custom designs I created. You see that vivid color on there too, right? Real crisp, real clean. And then the feel of it too as well. Nice, smooth. Here's another print. Team Tiny Turkeys. And look real close. That wasn't a microdose. And if you see that custom illustration graphic, look at that. Crisp and clean. All right, here's a Digisoft print on an athletic long sleeve shirt. Okay, Year of the Rabbit. And look real closely, you can see those colors coming in nice and smooth too. All right, we have Year of the Rabbit on a black t-shirt. And if you want to learn more about Digisoft, visit my link down below in the description. Sign up for customcat for free and get some samples in your hand. All right, so these next prints are going to be direct to garment prints, DTG, and I want to see if you guys can tell the difference in the prints. These ones, if you can hear, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but they're going to be a little bit, you can tell the difference in the print, like when you put your hand on it, it's a little bit more rougher compared to like the Digisoft, but you know, you tell for yourself. Take a look. All right, Team Tiny Turkeys, gray t-shirt. All right, so let's look real closely at the print. The fabric is coming through the print. That's why it's giving that sandpaper feel. Getting some good shots of this too, by the way. Pretty cool. Awesome design. All right, that wasn't a microdose DTG print. You look real closely. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but you can kind of see the print, little fuzzies on there, it looks like. Nice print though, but just the little things, right, that you can tell with this print. Now here's a hoodie, a white hoodie, Year of the Rabbit. This is a DTG print. Now you can tell that the image is a little smaller compared to the Digisoft print, right? And that is like, when it comes to the printing, that's gonna be the difference. And I'll do some comparing videos too as well, so you can see them side by side and let you kind of be the judge by looking at this video, but you can see the print. Now this is going to be a DTF print, okay, direct to film print, and this is on a white athletic shirt. Team Tiny Turkeys. Look real close at the design and the print itself. This is going to be a black athletic shirt, Year of the Rabbit, DTF print too as well. And you can see, let's look at that print real close. All right, now the one on the left is going to be the DTG DTG print, and the one on the right is going to be the Digisoft print. Now, you can tell the difference. They're both white hoodies, okay? Same style, same everything as far as the brand of the hoodie, but you can see the print difference, right? Look at the quality difference. Digisoft, DTG. All right, here's another comparison. The one on the left is a Digisoft print, and the one on the right is a DTF print. All right, so the one on the right is a Digisoft print. The one on the left is a print. Okay, now if you look real closely, this one is the Digisoft print. It's more smooth, you know what I mean? It's printed on there real nice. This one right here, you compare this one over here, it's a little bit, it seems like it's a little bit brighter. The print is gonna be a little tough right on the fingers, but if you look real close, the reason being is because of the print from the DTG printer. You be the judge of this. All right, so the one on the right is Digisoft, one on the left is the DTG. Okay, now check out the DTG, the print on there. This is like one of my favorite illustrations too, by the way, design this little mushroom. That wasn't a microdose. Look at it real close. All right, come over here to the Digisoft. Look at it real close. All right, so this is a Digisoft print, and this is a direct-to-film print right here. They're both on athletic t-shirts. Okay, so let's look at the print real close. All right, thoughts on the Digisoft prints and stuff like that when you're comparing all three of these from DTF, DTG, Digisoft. And my personal opinion is like all three of them are pretty good, okay? But I feel like Digisoft has that advantage when it comes to printing on clothing, okay? Or just printing on products in general. I think it's more of a crisp, that soft feel that people are starting to love more and more. They don't want that crispy, rough, feel like sandpaper type of print on their t-shirt. People are getting more into the style of they want like a nicer material print or just a nicer material of clothing, okay? And that's just a trend as people are starting to learn more and more about. So personally, I think Digisoft is freaking awesome, and I think it'll be a good if you're, you have your brand or, or you're just selling t-shirts in general or selling products in general, doesn't matter what you're selling, hoodies, whatever it is, you can upgrade your brand by using Digisoft to print your t-shirt. And I think it's amazing because you're just increasing the value of your prints on a product, right? In return, your customers will love it, you will love it, they'll love it, win-win situation. And you can print on so many different products too as well, from t-shirts all the way to backpacks. And if you enjoy this type of content and you like how I review these type of products, check out this video next right here. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Peace out, guys.